Good morning, everyone. So, we are going to start importance of profit in business. Okay, the same role of profit in business, that is also the same thing, and the importance of profit in business, that is also the same thing. Clear? So, what is the role and what is the importance of profit in business? We'll look right now. So, first of all, business. Why the business is important? For what purpose? What is a business? So if we are going to look in a simple words, business is a regular production. Okay, regular production or purchase and sale of goods in order to earn profit. That is what? That is a business. Okay, business is the exchange of goods and services. Okay, that is what? That is our business. But what is the main motive of business? The main motive of business is to earn profit. That is the main motive of business. Fine. So we'll look ahead. Here are the points. Please have a look. First one is survival of business. Second one is availability of funds. Third one is reward of risk taking. Fourth one is creates goodwill. And fifth one is earning profit. So these all things are so important in business. Fine. So we'll look one by one. Okay. So first, our first topic is survival of business. Okay. So in the first picture, you can look profit. Correct. So when we are starting any kind of business, what is important in this? Earning profit. Correct. So profit is necessary for survival growth of the business. If you are opening any kind of business, then you can't demand at first month only you will receive the profit. Correct. For that we need to stay over there. Correct. First time you will face loss also. Like if I'll take one example, that if I'm investing my money in the share. Okay, I'm investing my money in the share. I can't tell now that in the first time only, because I'm learning, in the first time only I will get the profit from the share. No, it's not like that. Yes. So same way profit is necessary for the survival or growth of the business. Okay, a new business find little bit difficult to grow to survive. Yes, but when it is survive, the main aim for the business is for better profit in near future. Okay, so same way in the second picture you can look investor is there. Fine. In the third picture, loan, from where we are getting? Bank. Correct. Then win the confidence of your customer. So in the survival of business, same way, if you are getting the profit, okay, so profit is boosting what? Profit also boosts the moral of the employee. Okay, the moral of the employee, then it will negotiate with the bank, negotiation with the bank, whatever. If you are want to take loan and all, in that all thing bank is going to help you. Correct. It will attract the investors also. When your business is growing, it will attract your investor also, and it will build the customer confidence also. So this is only the survival of business, how you are going to stay, how you are going to survive, and how your business is going to expand. Fine. So we'll look right now to the next point. So our next point is availability of funds. Now what is the meaning of fund? The first thing, what is the meaning of fund? Fund is nothing, it is the pool of money that we are keeping aside for the specific purpose. Now we are keeping our fund. If I'm receiving some salary, I'm keeping some part of the fund for the later use. Correct. That is what? That is an example like cash in hand, cash at bank. Fine. So you have kept somewhere that money to use for the later use. Whenever you need that fund, you are going to use at that time. If you want to do something, some business you need to open. Fine. In the business also availability of funds is there, means you are keeping some funds for the purpose of earning profit or something else, or you are keeping your availability of funds in the bank or in cash in hand. Fine. So when you want that fund, you can use it from there. Okay, in the business, for the business purpose. And for the business purpose, why? To earn money, to earn income, to earn profit. Correct. So that is only availability of funds says in the business. Okay, please have a look ahead. Now, reward for risk taking. Important point. So here it is written, risk is always associated with any kind of business. A person who invests money in the business has to bear the risk also. Yes, it is very important that a person who invests money in the business has to bear the risk also. Okay, if I'm taking right now, if my ABC company is there, ABC company is starting some kind of business. Due to any risk, the businessman doesn't stop the business. If if the risk is coming, but also the businessman is not going to stop the business. He is able to take any kind of risk at that time. Okay. So it is the profit that every time motivates him. When the profit is coming, it every time motivates him to carry on with business, even in the case of losses. If the losses are also going on and if the profit is also coming but profit is less, okay, and loss is above, so till also the businessman is able to carry whatever the losses is there. Fine. So businessman is able to take whatever the risk is coming at that time. Okay, so risk is there in every kind of business. Fine. Risk is there in each and everything whenever you are opening any kind of business. We doesn't think now that whatever business I'm opening right now, it will just expand in 1 month. No, it's not like that. Correct. It will take some time for the establishment of the business. Yes. Okay, so we'll look ahead. Right now the goodwill is there. Okay, so in the goodwill, what it is written over here, goodwill is the reputation of a firm, that is a company, which enables it to earn higher profit in comparison to the normal profit. Goodwill is an intangible asset, correct? It creates market standing, which help you to raise loans and obtain credit more easily. Now, for this, I'm going to take one example. You all are knowing that Tata company is there. Okay, Tata company is the name of the brand. Okay, whenever any person is going to purchase the car, okay, so they are directly without looking to anything, they are just have a faith. Okay, they just have a faith on the Tata brand, that okay, I know if I'll take this product, it is absolutely correct, nothing is there in that. Okay, so the product parameter and is everything is up to date, so I have the faith in Tata product. I can buy any product of Tata company. Correct. Why? Because the goodwill is high. Okay, then how then goodwill is high? How company goodwill is high? Because when any product is coming in the market, they are doing this much advertisement of the product, that the customer on the name of the customer, on customer mouth, that name is only coming. If you want to buy anything, okay, if I need to buy the Maggi, first of all, what name is coming on my mouth? Maggi, Nestle company. Correct. Maggi came na. It doesn't like that I need to take Ramdev Baba Maggi packet. No, it's not coming like that. Maggi only coming the word. Correct. So he gained the customer quality. He gained the customer relation. ठीक है, Maggi gain the customer relationship of the customer is good with the Maggi company. Same with the Tata company. Same you will take, if I will take some other example right now, if Lux soap is there, correct, it is then available in the market, and if I'll take any other soap, if I'll just take a name of any Kaveri soap, if just an example, so Lux soap is the brand name, correct, it is the brand. So from Lux soap, many they have done a lot of advertisement, a lot of they have done, so that is the performance, because the performance is also too good. They are using the quality of product, because I don't know about the Kaveri soap, I didn't heard the name also, then how will I trust on the Kaveri soap? I didn't heard the name. Correct. So I heard the name of the Lux, I heard the name of Tata, I heard the name of Colgate. I know these all brand is too good. Correct. My customer relation is too good, the goodwill is too good of the company, so I have that faith that I can buy these product. Correct? That is the reason. The if one more I'll take, if company asset is 100 crore. ठीक है, if some company is there and company fixed asset is there 100 crore and the company goodwill is 500 crore. Okay, so if I need to purchase that company, I need to pay not 100 crore, that is company fixed asset, I need to pay total 500 crore. Why? Because goodwill is 500 crore. So how came the goodwill? How the goodwill is so much in the company? How the goodwill is this much? Because advertisement, gaining customer response, gaining investor response, bank negotiation is there. So from that all thing, the company performance, the company goodwill is going on in higher. ठीक है? So the reputation of a firm is going higher. That is the reason. Nobody is going to believe right now that if I open some factory, or if I open one product that is the name of some, okay, Lay's is there, fine, chips, wafers, Lay's is there, and I have bring in the market right now Batata chips wafers. ठीक है, the name, okay, or Raju wafers. ठीक है, so Raju wafers local product, but Lay's wafers brand is there, the name is there in the market, the goodwill is there, the reputation is there. ठीक है, so everyone is going to take Lay's only. I know the Lay's is too much. If Raju wafers is giving the same product at 10 rupees, then the Lay's will give on in 20 rupees. Correct? So difference is there, but no one is going to take the wafers from the Raju wafers. Why? Because no name is there, no fame is there, but Lay's name is there, brand is there. ठीक है, brand is there of that, quality is there. ठीक है, quality of product they are selling. Raju is also selling, but Lay's has done a lot of advertisement on that product. That is the reason this company is going to expand. ठीक है, that is the reason everybody is going to take the product, take the wafers from the Lay's company only. Getting everyone? That is the reason the goodwill. So goodwill is very important in the company. Fine. Now if you will look, goodwill is what? Goodwill is an intangible asset. In accounting method, goodwill is an intangible asset that is not physical in nature. Okay. In the balance sheet, where goodwill is coming? Goodwill is coming in the asset side. Okay. Goodwill creates the market standing. ठीक है, it creates, I have written in the last point, it creates the market standing which help you to raise loans and obtain credit more easily. If your goodwill is there, better goodwill is there of the company, then the bank will also give you the loan because they have also the faith. Correct? As the way we are taking the Tata product, we are buying the Lay's product, we are buying the Maggi product, so we have the faith. No, this is the brand, so this is the best product. They are using the quality product. Correct? Their material is good. So the same way, bank also have the faith if the goodwill of the company is good. Okay, so we'll have a look in the next, that is earning profit. So now earning profit. So what you understand from the topic earning profit? As it is written over here, a business can only grow and gain strength if it earns profit. Correct? A business can only grow and gain strength if it earns profit. If profit is there, then only it will grow. Correct? If every time it is coming losses, losses and losses, it will grow higher in the market? No. Correct? For that, what we need to do? Product quality, too good. We need to maintain these all things. Then only when we are doing any kind of business, if it is growing, customer feedback is good, quality of product we are using, then only it will expand and it will earn profit. Okay. Profit is the reward of bringing new product in the market. Okay. Now if the profit is coming in the market, okay, earning profit is there. So if the profit is coming in the market, so what the businessman will think? If every time the profit is coming, then businessman will also think that we need to launch right now new kind of product, so that the customer will so that we will advertise and will look in the market when we will do the survey. ठीक है. So profit is the reward of bringing new product in the market. When there is high profit, then businessman is also thinking to launch some new kind of product in the market. Fine. Okay. So till here, everyone clear? Fine. So we'll just take a quick recap on this. Business. What is a business? Business is the exchange. Business is the buying and selling. From that, what we are getting? We are getting the monetary gain. Monetary gain is what? Profit and loss. That is our business. Business we are doing each and every day. Correct? Business we are doing each and every day. Okay? That is our business. In that, we are, the main motive of business is to earning profit. Every day we are doing the regular production. We are purchasing something. We are selling something. In order to what? In order to gain profit. That is only our main earning. That is only our main thing in business. The main motive is to earn profit. So we'll look the first point, survival of business. Now, what is the survival of business? How we are going to survive in the market? We are going to survive in the market if profit is there. That is very necessary. Then investor will come. If profit is there, goodwill is there, then the investor will invest in your company, in your business. Correct? Then you will get the negotiation with bank. Then if you get negotiation with bank, then then it build customer confidence also. Fine. So this is the survival of business, the first point. Now second one is availability of funds. Now availability of funds. Now what is a fund? Fund is the pool of money that we are keeping aside for the later use, for the specific purpose. Okay. Cash in hand is there, cash at bank is there. Correct. You are keeping your money somewhere for the later use. Okay. That is the availability of funds. Availability of funds is necessary when we are starting any kind of business. So if the losses is also there, we are able to manage with our funds. Fine. So we'll look ahead. That is the reward for risk taking. Now what is the reward of risk taking? Risk is always associated with any kind of business. Okay. A person who invests money in the business has to bear the risk also. Yes. If any company is if ABC company is starting any kind of business, due to any risk, the businessman doesn't stop the business. He will just move ahead. Fine. So every time, if it is the profit, every time profit motivates the businessman to carry in the case of losses also, to move ahead in the case of losses also. Okay. Next one, goodwill. Now, as I said you, what is the goodwill? It is the reputation of a firm which enables it to earn higher profit in comparison to the normal profit. Goodwill is an intangible asset. It creates market standing which help you to raise loans and obtain credit more easily. If my goodwill, if my company is there, if okay, I'm taking one more example for this right now. If my yes, okay, if my I'll take if Maruti company is there. Okay, Maruti company everybody is knowing. Fine. Maruti company is there, and same some other company came right now. If the name is Siddhivinayak Motors. ठीक है, Siddhivinayak Motor Company, Siddhivinayak Car Manufacturing Company, and the Maruti Suzuki Company. So Maruti is the name, the brand. ठीक है, why? The brand value is nothing but your goodwill, because the performance is good of the Maruti. Still the Maruti car is coming. Correct. Still it is too old, but still everyone is liking Maruti Suzuki car. Correct. But you are liking the Siddhivinayak car. Nobody is knowing the name. Somewhere the shop is there, but nobody is knowing the name. Why? Because advertisement not there. Correct. If the advertisement is there also, still the people will go with the Maruti Suzuki car only. Why? Because the quality of product is there. Okay, accessibility is there. People have believe in the product. Parameters of Maruti Suzuki is up to date, up to mark. Correct. The goodwill is too good. ठीक है. So customer relation is too good with the Maruti Suzuki, so everyone will go with the Maruti Suzuki product only. Fine. So this is only the goodwill is the reputation of a firm which enable it to earn higher profit in comparison to the normal profit. That is only the goodwill. Okay. So we'll look ahead. So if your goodwill is also good, then you are able to get money also easily from the bank. Okay. Next one is again earning profit. Now earning profit, a business can only grow and gain strength if it earns profit. ठीक है. So earning of profit is necessary for the expansion or growth of the business. Earning of profit is only necessary when there is expansion and growth of the business. ठीक है. Profit is the reward for bringing new product in the market. Whenever we are starting any kind of business, in that earning profit is very important. Okay. So that you will receive the reward also. Fine. So is there any problem? Please go through properly. Thank you for watching everyone. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks a lot.